Join me as I take on the challenge of creating an international TikTok account from Nigeria. Do you know that TikTok has over 1 billion users worldwide, and not everyone can easily create an international TikTok account? This video was requested by a subscriber, and while I was researching on this topic, I found out that as at the time of making this video, this is Easter Thursday, Thursday to Easter of 2025. I was researching on this topic and I found out that as at this time of recording this video, people pay as much as 10,000 naira to learn how to create a TikTok account. But in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to open your international TikTok account. I'll walk you all through the step of how to open it. It is not difficult at all, but you know that knowledge that you don't have is not beneficial to you. So if this is something you're interested in learning, watch this video till the end, so that by the end of this video you'll be able to open an international TikTok account. For how much? For free. 3 reasons why you need an international TikTok account. The first one on my list is the Creators Fund and other monetization programs. This feature allows you to monetize your content, your videos, anything, your skits, whatever you put up there. These features allow you to monetize it. The second reason is you will have a broader audience for your content. And the other reason, the last one, is you will be able to participate in global trends that are not available in some African countries. So these are the 3 benefits of having an international TikTok account. Out of these 3 benefits, one must be beneficial to you, which is why you need an international TikTok account. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amogo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this good news. Without wasting much time, let us dive into the purpose of today's video. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, your Apple Play Store or your Google Play Store. Then you search for Thunder VPN, this particular one you're seeing here. When it opens, you download it. When you've downloaded it, you turn it on. You will know if it's on, if this key is showing on your screen. When it's turned on, you go over to this global sign, touch it, and you choose United Kingdom, or you choose US or Germany. These are the 3 countries I will recommend for the purpose of this video. You choose any of this country. When you have choose this country, you leave the Thunder VPN and go to your TikTok account. When you get to your TikTok account, before doing this thing, make sure that you have opened a fresh Google account. Don't use any of your previous email account you're using for your other TikTok or Facebook or any. Open a fresh email for the purpose of this international TikTok account. Okay, so when you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to open and click this option here to switch accounts. When you open that switch account, the next thing you need to do is to change this thing. This, where you see Nigeria, you change it to United Kingdom. When you've changed it to United Kingdom, then you confirm your email address, the one you use, the new one you opened. That's what you will use to confirm the TikTok account. And please make sure that immediately you open this TikTok account, log out of it and leave it for 3 days before you log in, so that you will not have any issues with the account in the future. So this is just the basic, this is basically what you need to do to have an international TikTok account. 3 days later, log into your TikTok account and see if it has all these features that is displayed on the screen. If it has it, congratulations, you are now a bona fide owner of an international TikTok account. Yes, so the next thing you need to do now is to search for accounts that are in the same region as this account you just opened. Look for what they post and post something similar to that. Yes, post it for 1 week so that the account can gain visibility, and after that you're good to go. And mind you don't need VPN to do any other thing. We only need VPN to open this account. Even if you like, you can delete it off your phone because you don't need it to do anything pertaining to TikTok. Do you understand? So if you've watched up until this time, Thank you so much. And a very big thank you to all of you that have been supporting this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. In fact, God will bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video again. I will see you in my next one.